There's a certain little lady on the prairie with a wicked little something in her eyes. Every cowboy on the range is scared of Mary. So listen, 'cause I'm gonna put you wise. She's the daughter of the old gray mare. She's a stubborn little filly, I declare. Oh, she led us all a dance, and we never stood a chance with the daughter of the old gray mare. Oh, we tried with every cowboy nag, we could never get a saddle on her back. Why, she even threw the boss. Was he sore and was he cross with the daughter of the old gray mare? We hitched her to the wagon that her mother used to pull before. She took one look at the wagon. Now the wagon ain't a wagon anymore. Now she's running wild across the range, and we're getting peace and quiet for a change. You're attempting suicide if you ever try to ride on the daughter of the old gray mare. She's a honey, the daughter of the old gray mare.